Hello, greetings and salutations. Welcome back to Hands On with BLG. I'm BLG, I am lefty, I am righty, and we're back in the motorhome. Working on the sink. This old one here, the faucet's messed up on it. Been dripping and stuff, so I yanked it out. I want to see about putting a new one in. That's another one of them parts we've been waiting for. So I'm gonna set that right in there. But yeah, there you go. Here's our hot water line. There's our cold water line, right, y'all? Yep. And of course the P-trap right down there. So I'm gonna try to figure out how this goes. Well, we got our new sink here. I don't know, this should be charged up enough to turn on. Okay, so well, anyway, we'll work with the light we got. Here's what we got here. We have got a new sink. Look at that, huh? New sink. We have got, what else is in the box? Yeah. We've got new drain plug and trap piece right there. Got a new faucet in here with all the fixings and trimmings in that bag. And it's the box. So let's see what we can do here. I'm going to open that window just a little bit. See what we got here. For the sink, we got this. We got tools. Got this part. I want to look in here. This bag. I'm gonna look in this bag to see what the faucet looks like in here. It's supposed to be like a brushed nickel finish. Oh, it is. Oh, very nice. Look at there. Brushed nickel. You got off and on, cold and hot. Very nice. Okay, that's pretty decent shape. Yeah, okay. What else is in thy bag? Two of the holdy-ony thingies. Like this here. Okay. I can't get this open. You know what? Somewhere in my pocket. Somewhere. In my pocket here. I got a knife. Wrong thing here. There we go. Knife. That one. I'll bet this opens now. What do you think? Hold on, thingies. Right. Okay. What else we got in here? Put that in the box over there. That's drain stuff. So these. Okay, I get you. These will go through there. This will hold this onto the sink, which is over there. Let's get a little bit of this going on then. So this goes through here. You know what? I think I want this first. Changed my mind. What do we got here? This bag here is what I'm looking for. I can't get anything in a picture. I don't know what I'm looking at. That's an empty box. Well, it's got garbage in it that I just put in there.
No instructions.
There's a drain plug. Don't need instructions. I can't see through here what I'm looking at.
Oh.
That goes on there.
You're doing right. Just a touch.
Okay. How long is this compared to the other one? I'm going to go check something. Now we're getting somewhere. This doesn't need trimmed at all. It's the same length. So what I'm going to do...
and the other one's glued together?
Yeah. It sure enough is. What have we got here? PVC. That's the clear. I need the primer. Purple primer, PVC glue. Shake this around. Shake it around, baby. I'm going to put look what I happen to have. Can't get the lid open. Can now. Take a little bit of primer here. Oh God, oh God. A little bit of primer. It's all over inside the lid. I don't know. That's fine. And we'll primer this bitch up. All nice like that. We will primer the inside here. All nice like this here. Get it all primered up. Smell that beautiful stuff. Mercy sakes, that stinks. Used to love putting in PVC sprinkler lines because you got to float around all fucking day doing hotels with plastic going up through and around and weaving around through everything. Oh boy. There it goes. Let that dry. Alright. A little bit of the glue. This shit should be a little bit thicker. We'll put some glue on here. Put some glue on you. Doesn't have to be a shitload of glue. Just some glue. Go around here to here like this here. Little inside the here. Like that down. Press it on. Quarter of a turn. And just hold it for a second. And there we go. That'll sit up and dry. And do its thing. Ha! Stinky! Here's our little drain plug. That just drops in from inside, from in the top. That's from what I gathered. Here's the little clips that hold the sink in. We won't be using these right now. Not too worried about that. Okay. Now, we'll take this. We'll turn him this way. Can you still see? I don't know.
Who you're trying to see.
Something right in through this general vicinity.
Yes, you can.
I'm going to take this little guy. He goes through the holes here. And the little clippies that hold it together go on here.
Hang on.
And a little clippy here holds this on. I'm not tightening them yet. I will be very soon. So that's what I thought. We might have a... no, it should go. It should go. I want this as far forward as I can. There she goes. Tighten this all the way up. This down. Tighten them all the way up. Nice and snug and tight. Come on. That's just this little, there's a little lip here popping. That's not the sink breaking. Good and good. There's these. On and off. Nice. Then we have to take a little bit of plumber's tape. A little Teflon tape here. Hoo-dee-doo-dee-doo. We're going to go... That's going to turn that way, right? So we turn it... We'll try to do it this way. So if this is going to turn this way, easy. You want to put your tape on in the direction that your fitting is going to turn. We'll get this on here nice and snug, hopefully, without getting it too wound up. Haven't done this in a while, but it's easy. Just going to go around here a little bit, like so. Flip that back over. Flip over, biatch. There we go. Okay. A little something like that. Turn around. A little something like so. Just get a little something up on there like that. Like leaks. The sink that's in there now didn't have any on it. Well, the sink that was in there. Alright, that should help. Get a little something going here. Okay. And it's ready to pop in. Woohoo! It's pretty cool. guess this drops right in here like that for a drain. Yep. Alright. That's ready to put in. So
then
I gotta go that way.
okay. I don't know if you're gonna be able to.
I'm not gonna be able to get in there. No. I have to. I just wanna.
You want to turn it off or?
Not yet.
Okay.
Okay. So what you got here is. There we go. This goes up on here. Like so. Oh no, you guys go in there. Poke down in there, man. There that one went. Okay. But that's going to go in. You push this down until it's nice and firm. Tighten that up on the other part that's down there. And that's about it. Then these screw on. The hot and colds go hot, cold. Screw them on there nice and tight. We should have a sink. So we'll see you back here when this is in here. Okay, so far I've got everything under here pretty much at least started and in some kind of fashion tightened up. This was leaking last. I took that 3 more rounds. And that hopefully should fix all of our leakage problems. I know this is ugly for now, but we're working on it. So we're going to see what happens. If we got leaks or not. Be right back. Oh, here. We'll be here right now. Okay, there's water coming through. Oh, fuck. That's water. Shut it off. Shut it off. Okay, so I still got to tighten on the top ones. There's water coming out over here. Okay. I got a little more tightening up here. Somehow. See, it's running down. It's running down. So I'll be back in a minute. Well, as you can see, the sink is back out. It's leaking like a sieve. Not the sink, not the faucet. These connectors that she's looking at. We think those gaskets are bad. So we gotta try to fix. Fuck! We gotta. This light decided to work. We're gonna try to figure out. Now I don't know where off is. Oh well. I gotta try to figure out. We gotta find gaskets. Something we can use. So that's it for today. And yeah, sometimes it's good to show your failures. So that's a fail for now. Whoa! Oh, that was your phone blinding me. Thought a camera flash went off. But, okay. So that's it for this episode. I'll come back for round 2. And we'll have our revenge. How's that? So, till the next time, people. Hit the like button and subscribe and stuff. I haven't had a new subscriber in 5 days now. So, do me a favor and hit the subscribe for me. And hit the like buttons, share videos, all that good stuff. Until the next time, folks, you know what to do. Watch the mama fix her Snoopies.
Oh, yeah, there.
And
peace out.
There you go. Peace out, people. Hands on with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands on with BLG. Stick around and learn from me.